In previous tutorial video we have seen how to build ML models. In this tutorial we will see how to tune models with Elefante's automated model tuning. Here I am in the same lone default model. In feature selection, we have already selected the features. If required we can reduce the selected features with Principal Component Analysis (PCA) method. Here I am selecting random forest and providing multiple options for number of trees and maximum depth, as I am not sure which parameter options will perform better. In hyperparameters we can choose the metric to optimize. Now the model parameters are chosen to optimize this metric from the options provided. K-fold splits the dataset into a set of folds which are used as separate training and test datasets. Evaluates parameter options and computes the average metric for the provided number of folds. Unlike K-fold, train validation split creates a single training and test pair. It splits based on train ratio provided. Evaluates best parameter options for metric. Here I am selecting K-fold. Parameter evaluation can be done in parallel by setting parallelism. The value should be chosen carefully to maximize parallelism without exceeding cluster resources. Now let's save and train the model. After refresh we can see the model is executed. Clicking on the algorithm we see all metrics, selected features and algorithm configuration. In algorithm configuration we can see the model's best parameters chosen for optimizing the provided metric. This is how Elefante's AutoML helps in choosing model parameters. Thank you.